Imagine being able to teleport your phone anywhere in the world. London, Tokyo, New York, all with just one click. Sounds unreal, right? Well, it's actually possible. In this video, I'll show you how to fake your GPS location on both Android and iPhone using one of the best GPS spoofing apps called i2 Lab Anigo. This app is like a teleportation tool for your phone. It lets you instantly change your GPS location to anywhere on the map, simulate realistic movements along routes, and even control the direction and speed of travel. Whether you want to test location-based apps, create content, or just keep your actual location private, Anigo makes it effortless. Before we get into it, here's an important note. GPS spoofing simply tricks your apps into thinking you're somewhere else. It's a powerful tool, but it should always be used responsibly and ethically. That means no cheating in games, misleading people, or breaking any app's term of service. Use it for testing, privacy, or creative purposes. And if you're unsure whether something is allowed, double check the app's rules before using it. Getting started is easy. Just download i2 Lab Anigo from the official links in the description. It's available for both Android and iOS. Pick the one for your device. On iPhone, you may need to connect your phone to a computer during the first setup, while Android users can usually start right away. Once you open the app, you'll see an interactive map showing your current location. From there, you can teleport your phone anywhere in the world. Simply type a city name, enter coordinates, or tap any point on the map, then hit teleport, and instantly your GPS updates to that spot. Any app using your location, Google Maps, AR games, or social media will now show that spoofed location. You could literally be sitting at home while your phone appears to be in London. And it doesn't stop there. i2 Lab Anigo also lets you simulate movement. You can plot a route by selecting two or more points on the map, choosing your travel speed, walking, cycling, or driving, and hit start. Your phone will then move along the path automatically. There's even a joystick mode that lets you control movement manually, making it perfect for developers testing geofencing or creators filming location-based content. It's a smart, simple, and an incredibly versatile GPS tool. So that's how you can teleport your phone anywhere in the world with just one click. And if you want to try it out, check out the official download links and safety tips in the description below. And if this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment where you teleport your phone first. I'd love to know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.